Did you know that the Metal Mafia website has an easy reorder tab? Every time you order from us, all the items that you order automatically get sent to this list, making it easy for you to come back to the site and reorder them on your next order. Right now, I'm in the easy reorder list, which you can get to just by clicking the top right-hand corner where my mouse is right now. Within this list, you can either search for something specific that you're looking for or simply scroll down and see all of the things that you've ordered. I have a lot of pages of things I've ordered, but what I'm looking for is right here on the first page. I can either choose to add items individually at the line item, or I can use these cool toggle boxes on the side here to add multiple items at once. I can change my quantities here and get all the things that I need loaded all at once. It's super simple and easy, and then I just click Add Selected to the cart, and they'll be in my cart.